friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to test whether the Realme GT Neo 2 has got any kind of overcharging prevention mechanism support or not. And this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers. And right now, I'll try to use this kind of USB digital tester which I'm having right now. As you can clearly see, I'll try to connect the USB charging cable to one side, and other side I'll try to connect to the mobile phone. In this way, we'll be able to see any kind of power is supplying into the phone or not, whether the phone is actually taking any kind of power or not. So that's what I meant. Let's see friends what is going on. And right now I did charge phone to the 100% of the battery. You can clearly see here. And let me try to disable everything, all the apps completely. From the background, everything is completely disabled. And let me try to put in the aeroplane mode as well. So no application, nothing is running at this moment in the background, everything. And now let me try to connect to the USB digital tester. It's connected to the USB digital tester. You'll be able to see the volts, but there is no ampere reading. Now let me try to connect to the phone. As soon as you connect to the phone, you should be able to see the ampere reading slightly kind of increasing. Now I need to disable the always on display. Always on display is disabled. So this is a kind of testing which I'm trying to do on plenty of other smartphones as well, regarding the overcharging prevention test. Let me try to turn on the stopwatch. So if you want, you can search in the YouTube as well. So just type in the YouTube overcharging prevention SciTech Guru. You can find all my videos which I did upload, because this is a very important thing friends, because you should know whether the phone is actually taking any kind of power or not, even after continuously charging after 100% as well. So as I said, right now it's 100%. So still it's showing a charging indication. So it takes some time to deactivate that kind of charging indication and come to the fully charged state. Right now we are trying to see small amount of power is going. So we need to give some time, maybe close to 5 minutes or maybe sometimes 10 minutes. So it depends from one phone to other phone. But let's see whether this phone Realme GT Neo 2 has got any kind of prevention mechanism technique or not. So my whole idea is to see this ampere reading completely to 0. That is what my whole idea. Even if you plug the cable in, it should be completely 0. So that's what I'm trying to look after. So again, I'll be back after some time just to let you know what is going on. So after a few minutes, maybe close to 3 minutes and 4 minutes as well, you can see the charging speed amperes, how much it's going. It's going only 0.4. So 0.04 and 0.6 we are trying to detect. As you can see, at least so small amount of power is entering into the device. So even after the 4 minutes of time as well, you can clearly see small amount of power. It's not showing completely 0. If you want, you can search other videos as well. Just type in the YouTube. So overcharging prevention test, you will be able to find my videos. On other smartphones, you will be able to understand. So I'll try to give a little bit kind of more time. So let the phone, I'll try to keep it side, and I'll try to give some more time, maybe close to 10 minutes of time. Let's see what happens after 10 minutes, whether still we are seeing any kind of decrease or not. Is it remaining exactly 0.04 amperes or not? After some time, I'll try to talk about it. Again, I'll be back after 10 minutes of time. So right now, as you can see, it's been close to 11 minutes of time as well, but still I cannot see any kind of decreasing the amperes. So it did not show any kind of sign of 0 amperes, nothing at all. So still the phone is taking little bit small amount. It's kind of negligible amount of small power it's taking, but not huge, just a little bit, 0.04 amperes. But other phones used to demonstrate completely 0. Yes, so few phones, they are actually there. If you watch other videos, you'll definitely understand. Even the Realme X1 Max, I think so, the phone also showed 0 as well. Even this phone showed 0, and sometimes it used to show 002 and 0.02, 0.03, but it did show the 0. I think the Realme GT Neo 2, it's not showing any kind of sign about the thing. No. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is the overcharging prevention mechanism test. And overcharging prevention mechanism test is not that 100% working. It's kind of little bit working, little bit kind of amount is going power. If you look at my video which I did upload, the Realme X1 Max, it's going up to 0 as well. As you can see, it's going 0 in the Realme X1 Max. So it's going 0 and again it's showing 0.04 sometimes. This is a video which I did on the Realme X1 Max overcharging prevention test. But in the Realme GT Neo 2, in this case, what is happening is that it's not showing any kind of sign 0. Continuously, there is small amount of power the phone is taking continuously, small amount. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off. And this is the complete screen which shows charged indication. That's the what I thought of showing you. If I try to turn on the screen, immediately it will consume power. That's the reason I did not turn on till now the screen. But immediately the power little bit got decreased. But I cannot see any kind of 0% So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Unless state of more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.